Hello friends, welcome. We are at 7:30 Indian PM, Indian Standard Time, evening hours. We are online to give you some updates. So hope you are enjoying our tutorials and all. Every day we come at 7:30 to tell you the updates, what you have added new things and what you are planning to add in coming days. So that is every day you can join us at 7:30. We focus on mostly on Python programming, PHP, web programming, also on the AI tools. So even we integrate our AI tools with the Python and all, we work on that. Right now we are continuing on openpyxl. So this is where the Python library, what you can use it to manage the Excel files. So you can read the data, you can write to Excel file, then you can format it, insert formulas, then insert also graphs and images to your Excel file by using Python's openpyxl library. You can these Excel files you can use it without Python also you can create, but using Python gives you a lot of flexibility, means you can develop a application where various data sources you can read, manipulate, by programmatically you can change it. So you can do it, use the openpyxl, and we are all discussing about the Colab platform, which is a Google's cloud platform where we are working. Now friends, one small update is that there was questions that how to create the pay say payroll application in Excel, so which can be developed using openpyxl. So where a lot of options will be there. We have worked with only a very simple one, which have only two things were there. Now you can use this, extend it further, and add as many means towards your right from the basic pay, DA, HR rate, traveling allowance, income tax, pension scheme, all the things you can deduct and create a total play. So that is what the question was, and that is what we have been working. Now since I got a Excel file to develop, so I have created the script for you. So that script you can copy. I have kept it below the same blog post, so towards the end you can get the you can tell it it's a extended pay slip script or payroll script. Let Namaste Pratik, I have updated the script, you can watch that. I am just the link is in the description. Let's go there and see that. Sorry, okay, fine, come here. So this is the openpyxl pay. This is the page what you will be using. It is there in the description. Scroll down. This is the basic one, what you can learn, the basic openpyxl. Then you will get below that little bit of on the formatting, so you can highlight the top headers, many things, Indian rupees figure you can add it. Below this you can see now the extended one. So here you can get lot of other things. See here you can see the header itself will tell you a lot of things, net pay, income tax, NPS, employee, all those things you can add it. And in fact you can further extend it also. See this particular row, this row is created based on all to fill all the columns. So this particular program, once you run it, it can be your local system or in a Colab platform you can run it. And in fact we have added this to our Colab also. You can run it directly in this particular Colab link. So you can take it up and download the entire whatever you can run this code and download the entire Excel file to your system to check it up. So here some sample data are only, I have changed the real names to the sample names. So name, you can employee name 1, employee number 2, like that only data is created. So you just try that. So basic pay is the only input, rest everything else is calculated. There is a small issue was there when you are giving a range as a sum and you are giving individual column as sum, slight difference was coming. That is coming because some columns are calculated based on the same input. So what happens, if it is a text format, this formula ignores that. So that is why we are used exclusively. You can see this here, you see we have added individual cells instead of giving a range. So if you give a range starting from say F cell to O cell, then you will get a different value. So don't use the range one, because in between some columns are, if it is not in a text format, you need to format everything in a number, so then only it will add. Otherwise Excel will ignore it. That's why you will get a different error. Just take care of this particular part and use it, you will get a good result. Let me just come back to see your what it is. Yeah, thanks Pratik. Okay, you can see that. Work on it and extend it further. And one precaution is don't use the range function here. Use individual. Say A to C column, you don't use it. Use A plus B plus C. Instead, if you use A to C and B is taken derived from A, you may get a different value. That is what I have seen it in this case, because while formatting, if you have taken a number it is, but it is formatted as text, then Excel will ignore that while calculating. So try on that way, experiment with this code, then you should get a good result out of it. Further extend it also based on your requirement, you can further. But I will tell you one more thing. If you are having or thinking of such type of a application, don't use Excel. Use either MySQL or SQLite or a web program or a network based program. So everybody will be managing their own data. Say one of your employees managing the income tax side, one of their employees, so they will just log into from the network, from the phone also you can open it, enter the data, but here the database has to be common. So that way what happens, it's a distributed work. Anybody once a pay slip is generated, you need not, like Excel means you have to download it, send it manually. Here system will automatically in the web platform it will show you. So it is always better in a network environment if you are working, then develop it in the network manner. So and there that time the database has to be, it is better you use a MySQL database, SQLite or anything similar to that. So that will give you a totally enterprise wise enterprise level applications, so that you can easily use. You can keep some people for HR purpose, you can keep somebody is updating the tax, somebody is updating the say the pension schemes and all. Everybody will feed their own data. Finally the system will generate the payslip. That's what usually the big applications or the enterprise based applications they work it. And it is always better if you make it a web based, so anybody can work from anywhere, feed the data and get the output. That is the idea, friends. So hope you think on this line and experiment, so you will get a good result. Already 7 minutes, so we'll close the session today. Hope you have a good learning experience. We'll continue further. openpyxl. In fact, the next video will be on the chart and images. That though the blog is ready, the video is not ready. That we will add it shortly. So you can join us tomorrow also, evening hours, Indian Standard Time, 7:30 p.m. I come online and explain to you all these points. So tell your friends also to join. Hit the like button. Don't forget to do that. Press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel, so you'll get all the regular updates about our tutorials, videos, whatever the blog post we post it, and you can give your feedbacks, questions, doubts, suggestions, anything you can put it in the comment section. That's the idea, friends. Hope you will join me tomorrow also. Thank you. Thank you for joining today.